Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma and I am a success manifestation coach. Now guys, success बिना लाइफ पार्टनर के, बिना ऐसे पर्सन के जो कि बहुत क्लोजली आपके साथ हो, जिसके संग आप शेयर कर सको, वो सक्सेस इनकम्प्लीट है. एंड सो टुडे आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो स्पेशली फॉर यू to manifest your SP, manifestation of a specific person. I usually advise people कि SP मत मैनिफेस्ट करो, ओपनली मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक करो और राइट पर्सन आ जाएगा. क्या पता तुम्हारे SP से भी बेटर हो. पर my students surprise me क्योंकि बहुत सारे students they still manifest SP because they are like मैम हमारे दिमाग में तो वही है, हम उसी को लेके ही मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक करें. I'm like yeah, free flow, feel free, and I learn from them that they are able to manifest specific person. So ठीक है, वो manifestation techniques जो चल रही हैं, so let me share them with you also. Clear, I will give you 5 points and use them and to manifest. All right, and subscribe to my channel so that जब भी मैं इतना बढ़िया content बनाऊँ, आप उसके पास notification आ जाए, and then you come back and watch my video. Watch it till the end to understand the crux and then use the manifestation techniques. All right. So subscribe and like and share it with your friends who want to manifest SP. All right, let's begin. 5 steps to manifest your SP. Point number 1 is vibrate high. So this is a prerequisite of manifestations. I tell everybody in my coaching, first you have to learn to vibrate high. Vibrate high का मतलब ये है कि you are listen carefully in the emotions of gratitude, bliss, freedom, and love. So if you are in the lower vibration emotion, guilty conscious, fear, insecurity, or fighting with each other, have a lot of negativity inside you. Sorry, आप ये वीडियो देखना बंद कर दो क्योंकि no point, manifestation नहीं होगी. If you want to really manifest, then you have to learn to vibrate high. You have to learn to train yourself to vibrate high. And that's where possibly most of the coaches come in picture क्योंकि mostly मैंने देखा है people are struggling here and sometimes you need specific techniques and therapies to vibrate high. Otherwise, if you are doing, like, I'll tell you what techniques I give. So आप workout schedule पूरा रखो, meditation, spiritual workout routine अपना पूरा रखो, positive affirmations करो, तो you will vibrate high. So this is the first thing which you need to do if you want to manifest your SP. ठीक है, कोचिंग में आओगे तो मतलब मैं हैंड होल्ड करके कराऊंगी, मतलब फिर तो वाइब्रेट हाई आपको होना ही पड़ेगा. सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज सरेंडर. अब सरेंडर का क्या मतलब होता है? सरेंडर मीन्स not that resignation. Surrender means detachment from the outcome. This is very important for manifestation. This is your manifestation preparation because we will do manifestation techniques. और अगर आप outcome को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा attach हो गए हैं, like you're like कब होगा manifest SP, कब होगा, अभी तक नहीं आया, अभी तक नहीं हुआ, तो फिर you will go in the anxiety, lower vibration, and slip out of manifestations. Give up kar dete hain mostly people. So you have to specially learn to surrender, that you will do your best manifestation techniques, but you will detach yourself from the outcome. You'll be like relaxed about it and have full faith that that's happening. Okay. Now, third is manifestation techniques. और मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक्स में सिंपल टेक्निक बताती हूँ आपको. बहुत सारी मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक्स होती हैं, बट एसपी के लिए जो सबसे बढ़िया मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक चलती है वो है कि विजुअलाइजेशन. यू विजुअलाइज योर सेल्फ विद योर एसपी, that my SP loves me, my SP respects me, he or she is missing me, they can't live without me, they're already the part of my life. I mean, feel all those things till you start to feel them in your heart, right? You can visualize all the things that you're doing with your SP, eating together, sleeping together, going for workout together, reading together, watching TV together, going to malls together, going to vacations together. Just visualize all these things and feel it in your heart, right? And keep feeling it. And ये visualization best कब करना है? When you're about to sleep in your bed, you're in your bed and about to sleep. That time you visualize it and then just sleep in the happy manifestation vibes. So that is the time. Just Neville Goddard also says that, he's no more, but there are recordings and all. That that's the time that's like magical for manifestations. और मेरे एक स्टूडेंट के लिए तो विजुअलाइजेशन नहीं चलती. ही इज अ सीईओ, सो ही इज लाइक विजुअलाइजिंग एट नाइट व्हेन ही इज अबाउट टू स्लीप, एंड ही विजुअलाइजेस लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक मीटिंग अच्छी हो जाए, ये डील हो जाए, एंड देन दोज थिंग्स हैपन. और एसपी के लिए तो ये बेस्ट टाइम है. नेचुरली ऑल्सो वी आर इन द बेड, वी आर थिंकिंग अबाउट एसपी, सो दैट्स द बेस्ट टाइम. Okay, now the next thing is release doubt. मतलब इतनी अच्छी मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक करी एंड देन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड देन यू आर डाउटफुल अगेन कि ओ गॉड, ये किड तो रियल है ही नहीं, ये रियल नहीं है, बट दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. सो यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर frequency in the heart. Keep feeling that. Manifestation means keep feeling it till it becomes real. Doubt मतलब कट गया कॉर्ड, सिग्नल भेजने बंद हो गए. Don't do that. Stay on the frequency which is given by your manifestation techniques. All right. So you have to continue doing it. Time कितना लगता है? Like usually people take time, 3 months, or X के लिए तो at least 6, 7, 8 months. Like that's what one of my students did. She manifested her ex back, but good 7, 8 months. और हमने उसके लिए बहुत कुछ और भी टेक्निक यूज करी थी. एक्स वाली थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रूट होता है, so we worked on that. So she could manifest the ex back in a way that he came back to her, like, take me back, and she was like, let's be friends first and then restart again. Okay, so X का थोड़ा सा टेक्निक अलग होता है, but SP के लिए this will work. All right, last part is कि how to sustain your manifestation. Now ये important part है क्योंकि ये मैं भी करती हूँ. I'm married for last 20 years and I have to sustain my manifestation with my husband. And this is very important part because ये ना हो कि you get your SP and then 1 or 2 months later fight हो गई and then you're again apart. All right, so you have to sustain also your manifestation. Sustenance and keeping it always nice and fresh is also very important. So again, when you're even in the relationship, you're going to visualize together and make your partner the part of your manifestation techniques. Make plans together, to the extent that you're visualizing together. Do different things together. First, make their plans. Plan for 1 year, plan for 2 years, plan for 5 years, so that you're together visualizing it, right? And then the second most important sustenance technique is that you have to, include your partner, और अपने पार्टनर के संग कुछ ऐसा काम करो जो कि which is giving some value to the society. Like for example, my kitchen, mine and my husband's kitchen, is operational and we have no count like how many people are eating in a day from it. It's like always working. We are doing a lot of charities together, philanthropies together, like public welfare ke liye. Recently he did this wellness camp for lawyers. I also went there, so it's like we're doing it together, that I gave the money for it and it was his plan, and so that people are coming and getting their checkups done. So we're like doing these things together. So this keeps it, we send the signal to the universe that unity is for some greater good for the world. So that's how the manifestation sustains. So I advise you to do that once your manifestation is there, like you are able to manifest your SP, then is तरीके से sustain your SP. All right. All right, then stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.